what? My dad actually unlocked the Griffin. I'm so happy about it. Let me show you all the parts of the Griffins. I just added some. I added some of them. Look. I just added some. Great. Wait, why is the robot no thing? Look, this is the scary one. Okay, this is not creepy. This is not even creepy. Now the angel one. I just unlocked some of them. I guess I'll go with the angel one. Okay, what is this? I'm a god. I'm a griffin. Wait. Look what it sounds. Look. Those are all the actions. Guys, I'm gonna show all the parts of the Griffin. I even got magic. I didn't know. Why did they not delete it? Fly. That's weird. Okay, let me show you the teenager part. Okay, this is the teenager one. Sit, eat, hut, lie, rest, eyes, magic, fly. The teenager one can fly a bit. Look, let me show you the male one first. I said first. Now let me show you the female part. I have to reset. Okay. A zebra? A phoenix zebra just appeared. Wait, me. A zebra appeared. Okay, let me show you the classic Griffin. Here's this. I don't know why does it look weird. It actually looks weird. Guys, comment down below if this is weird. Look at it. It just stole the male head. Look what the sounds look like. Look at the teenager one. Okay, this one is the same sound. Magic. This one also can fly a bit. Look. Whee! This sounds terrifying. Guys, if you think this is terrifying, so comment down below in the comments if it's a bit scary of the sound. A griffin. I'm gonna reset. Now I'm gonna be the normal Griffin. I'm a little Griffin. I'm a cute little Griffin. Wait. Eat. Sleep. Lie. Rest. Close my eyes. Fly. Okay. I love the magic because it's a cloud. What? I see a penguin with little babies. I see a penguin with little penguins. I think they're falling. Whee! My paws. Guys, the Griffiness look like a cat because it has ears. Or is it a mix with a lion and an eagle? Let me show the teenager part. Now it's brown. Pah! Sorry about that. Here's the grown-up part. I like how it's a mix with a lion and an eagle. Guys, the Griffin is flying like a hummingbird because hummingbirds do like that, but they just flap their wings so fast. And the Griffin flaps the wings a bit slowly. Let me show you all the parts of the Griffin. I'm talking about the grown-up one. Sit, eat. The eat part is so slow. Halt, display. Okay, this is look like a bear. Or is that a big cat? Preen. Eyes. Lie. Rest. Magic. Cute fly. Guys, if you like the Griffin, you can like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments if you like the Griffin. If I gonna play the Griffin for a bit hours or any minute, then I'm gonna show you that the Griffin lay eggs. I'm so happy because the Griffin can climb the clouds. Look, it's hatching. Okay, if I drop the Griffin, I think it's gonna fall. Silly Griffin. Silly Griffin. Silly baby Griffin. It just fell on the cloud. I'm gonna save you, baby! Where are you, baby? Oh, but let me... What? How did I teleport the baby? Silly baby. I like the baby Griffin. This is the best bird ever. If you like watching all my parts of the Griffin, so bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.